Alright guys, quick update. I am moved in. We're still moving in, but for the most part, I got all my stuff moved in. Just gotta keep unpacking and getting everything put where it needs to go. See the view from the balcony real quick. You can see the whole city. Got some plants already. I'm waiting for my bed to arrive because I had to order a new bed because the one I had was too big. So that will be here in a few days. We're getting ready to go on a yacht. So I'm gonna get up out of here in about 30 minutes. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I will get some footage on the yacht today. I'll do some vlogging, and I'm also going to be getting some reels from my rental company. So keep you guys updated. Alright guys, got a yacht charter about to go out. Had a friend of mine rent a yacht from me for a friend of his bachelor party, and they invited us out on the water, so we're going to go with them. Sunday, so the market's opening at 6 p.m. Eastern, so I'm going to be on the charts. Going to get on the water first. Ready to lock in this week, man. Ready to scale these accounts, take everything to the next level. That's what it's all about, is growth and consistency. Manifesting so you can live the life you want daily. That's what I've been doing. It's time to lock in on yourself, guys. Everything you see me doing is because I locked in on myself. I've been consistent, I've been working hard, and I've been manifesting everything I want to become my reality. Every yacht you see me on is something I manifested or I worked hard for. All of these clients come through my network. This isn't just coming out of thin air. I built all of these relationships from scratch, and everything's just coming full circle, from my recording studio to my video productions to my rental business with yachts and exotic cars to trading. Everything goes together. I want to remind you guys that you get out what you put in. So lock in on yourself. You only live once. Believe in that dream that you had. Believe in yourself to achieve that dream. Set your expectations high and grind your fucking ass off. Stay focused, stay consistent, lock in on yourself. Weed out all the distractions. 6 months can change your life. 12 months could absolutely change where you're at in life right now if you lock in on yourself, all jokes aside. I'll update you guys tonight when I'm on the charts. Maybe I'll get a little bit more footage on the boat, but man, day in the life of Envo, as you can see.